Hey guys, this is Leo from GeneratePress and GenerateBlocks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to copy an entire page content built with the block editor to use it in another page or even another site. So it's like a template. It's one of the questions that come up often in our support forum and can be done quite easily. Let's take the services page for example. If you want to use the layout of this page in another page, we can do so by going to Edit Page, then open up the Options menu, click Copy All Content. Then we can add a new page and simply paste in the content. So doing this will copy and paste in the page content, but the meta box options will still need to be done manually. So the original page is using a full width content container. You will need to do so on the new page as well. The second method is to use a plugin called Duplicate Page. So once the plugin is activated and go to the list of pages, you can now click to duplicate a page. The advantage of using the plugin is that the page content as well as the meta box options will both get copied over, so you don't have to do any manual work. The same method will also apply to elements as well. So let's say you want to use the footer element of this site in another site. You will again go to the Edit Element page, copy all content, create a new block element in the same site or another site, and paste it in. The plugin method will also work in the element module as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.